folks, Buck here. It's time for the season premiere of the Timmy Show. So here he is, Mr. Timmy T. Here we go! To the Timmy T Show. Junior, we've been doing this now for 7 years. We came out with the first Timmy T Show on December 26th of 2008. I can't believe we've been doing it this long. I bet you can't either. Alright, a lot of people have asked me over those years, Timmy T, why do you do the Timmy T Show? Well, I'm not here to showcase my musical abilities. I'm definitely not here to showcase off my beautiful songbird-like voice. This happened by accident, quite frankly. Well, let's start at the beginning. Over 40 years ago, my parents bought me this here K banjo for Christmas one year. Isn't that a pretty nice looking banjo? Bad thing is, it sat in a case over in a corner for about 30 some years until something changed in my life one day. I became a grandfather. Now I thought it was time for me to get that old banjo out of that case, put some new strings on it, and try to learn to play a few songs I might want to play for my grandkids someday. Well, it just so happened that December Christmas of 2008, my wife got me a new digital camcorder. Now through the years while my kids were growing up, we always had the big old bulky camera. Every holiday, birthday, I'm out making movies of what's going on. Well, it came to my attention one night when we was watching movies, I'm not in any of them. Oh, that's what I say, oh. So that night when I got my new camera, I said, I'm going to slip down in the basement after everybody goes to bed, and I'm going to make my own movie. Now, I'm going to send it out to some of my relatives and friends and just have a big joke about it. So I came down here, and if you go back to the very first episode, you'll see me sitting right here. I even got my PJs on, my John Deere pajamas. I was sitting right here and did a couple of songs on the banjo. Well, I tried to email it off, but I didn't know what I was doing. So it wouldn't accept such a large file. So what I did is I figured out how to upload it to YouTube because I knew I could email YouTube videos. So that's what I did. Well, a week goes by, I'm looking at my video, people sending me comments, leaving messages. I'd had like over 100 views on my video. I started people calling. Asked me, when's the next video coming out? The next video wasn't planned on being another one. So that's where it's all went to. So today, I'm going to do a song that I wrote. It's about a little old woman who was born in Greenbrier County, West Virginia in 1903. Now when I knew her, she lived a little dot on a map called Maplewood, West Virginia. Her name was Irma Walker. Now a lot of her neighbors or friends called her Irmy. Some people called her Miss Walker. I always just called her Grandma because I was her youngest grandchild. Well, that was until that old Becky Walker came along. I just become the youngest grandson then. So, I wrote this song about Grandma. Let me lead you into it a little bit. We'd leave here probably late on a Friday afternoon or evening and go visit Grandma. We wouldn't get down there till like maybe midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, sometimes later, depending on the weather. So it was always my job to run up to the front door and knock on the, Grandma, wake up, we're here, Grandma. Well, people from all around knew we were there. So Grandma would wake up, let us in the house. So this song's just simply called Grandma, Open Up the Door. And I hope you enjoy it. Just a little 2-bedroom house set on a hill. Little coal shed in the back with its winter fill. Grandma, open up the door. A bedroom light would stir from the rear. That's when I knew she knew we were here. Grandma, open up the door. A hug and kiss, and that was sweet. Always some kind of homemade cake to eat. Grandma, open up the door. Sleepy eyes in her rocking chair, arthritic fingers runs through her hair. Grandma, open up the door. Some old story she would recall, people and places, she remembered it all. Grandma, open up the door. We picked strawberries by the old mine shaft. I can see her in the garden, that old bonnet hat. Grandma, open up the door. We played board games after dinner. I'd get mad, but she was always a winner. Grandma, open up the door. Had 3 sons that left to fight in that bad war. I bet she prayed so hard she kept her knees sore. Grandma, open up the door. Buried a husband, 2 children, long before their time. That'll weigh heavy on any woman's mind. Grandma, open up the door. So many memories that cross through my mind. We'll meet again, another place, another time. And I'll say, Grandma, open up the door. Grandma, open up the door.